Hi and welcome to this video, which is part of a tutorial series on how to install and configure LTTng. LTTng is the next generation Linux tracer, and more information about its features can be found on the LTTng website. In this tutorial, I'll be showing how to download and set up the stable version of TMF in Eclipse, starting from version Juno. TMF, which stands for Tracing and Monitoring Framework, is an Eclipse plugin which allows you to visualize the traces taken by LTTng. If you are looking to install the latest snapshot of TMF, then this is not the right tutorial. This video is done on a default installation of Ubuntu 12.04, but could be done on any popular distribution of Linux. So the first thing we need to do is install Java, which is required by Eclipse. SunJava and OpenJDK both work with TMF, providing Java is between version 6 and 7, so you're free to install the one you prefer. In my case, I'll install OpenJDK 7, which is directly available from the Ubuntu repository. So in my terminal, I can install OpenJDK with the apt-get install command. After Java is installed, the next step is to go to Google or any popular search engine and search for Eclipse download. The first result should be the official Eclipse download page and the one we'll download from. From here, you'll want to look for the Eclipse IDE for C and C++ developers. This IDE includes the TMF plugin and can be downloaded in both 32-bit and 64-bit versions depending on your platform. Since I'm running a 64-bit computer, I'll choose the 64-bit version and then select the available server. The downloaded archive is compressed and needs to be extracted in your computer. In my case, I will first download the archive to my home directory. Once the download is done, my next step will be to extract the archive. So in my terminal, I'll change my current directory to my home directory, which contains the archive, and then run the tar command. Once the archive is extracted, to run Eclipse, we'll have to open the executable file, which is found in the Eclipse folder. I'll change my current directory to the extracted directory, and then run the Eclipse executable. While Eclipse is starting, you'll be prompted for a workspace location. You can set your own location, but I'll leave the default setting and accept. Eclipse is now loading, and the next thing we want to do once it is ready is go to the Window tab, go to Open Perspective and Other. From this list of perspectives, the one we want to choose is the LTTng kernel perspective. Once selected, I'll accept. Eclipse shall now display the TMF perspective, and we're now ready to import a trace. If you want to learn how to use the TMF interface, then feel free to take a look at our tutorial on how to use TMF. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.